Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to visit Benchmark Tea and Chocolate Factory situated in Ooty. In this video, you will be watching the process of how chocolates are made and the process involved in tea production. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. The entry ticket per person will be 30 rupees. So let's go inside the chocolate factory and see how chocolates are made.
Cocoa tree in India is an intercropping plant, and these cocoa pods are harvested when ripe yellow. These pods are broken, fermented and sun-dried and shipped to the processing center. Chocolate is a preparation of roasting of cocoa bean, breaking the cocoa beans and winnowing the dust kernels, the dust and particle, and further grinding to a liquid paste. Cocoa bean roasting is done at 135 degrees Celsius, where beans are roasted, and once roasted beans are broken, winnowed. Then they are grinded at 50 degrees Celsius in ball mill machine, and then cocoa bean is liquefied. When grinded with heating, it is called as cocoa mass. In quantity of milk chocolate, 15 kilograms of cocoa mass, 15 kilograms of milk powder, 48 kilograms of sugar, and 22 kilograms of cocoa butter is added. For white chocolate, 30 kilograms cocoa butter, 48 kilograms sugar, 22 kilograms milk powder are the three ingredients. Dark chocolate is added with 34 kilograms of cocoa mass, 48 kilograms of sugar, 22 kilograms of milk powder, and cocoa butter 30 kilograms. After 24 hours of conching, the chocolate is transferred to a melting tank and then kept at 50 degrees Celsius in liquid form milk. Dark and white chocolates are kept separate and then molded into shapes and sizes with nuts, flavors to the consumer's choices.
So it looks like the ladies are busy in the process of preparation of chocolates. You will find variety of chocolates kept on these large trays, which includes dark chocolates, milk flavored chocolates, and also chocolates with different types of nuts. Before chocolates are packed in the boxes, they will make sure to cut the chocolates with equal sizes and ready to serve them to customers. Even though there are machines to prepare chocolates, they still need to do some manual efforts to get the final results. We also got some chocolates to taste it, which was delicious, and also a beautiful view from the factory. So guys, we are now into tea factory. Basically, both chocolate and tea factory are in same premises, and we are not allowed inside the factory because of safety concerns. So I tried to take some videos from outside itself. Tea production involves several stages in a tea factory, from the plucking of fresh tea leaves to the packaging of the final product. Throughout the entire process, quality control measures are in place to ensure that the tea meets specific standards for flavors, aroma, appearance, and safety. There will be some additional process depending on the type of tea being produced. For instance, flavored teas may undergo blending with other ingredients, while some specialty teas may require additional processing steps like roasting and aging. It's important to note that the tea production process can vary based on the type of tea being produced, regional practices, and the level of automation in the tea factory. Each step in the process contributes to the final characteristics and quality of the tea. There are some shops within the factory premises where you can buy some variety of tea powders, chocolates and spices. We have visited all the shops here and bought some tea powders and chocolates. I am gonna show you all the shops here so that you can also visit and explore this place. So guys, that's it for the day and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit on like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel, and also please share this video with your family and friends. We'll come back soon with more travel content. Until then, take care.